Would you like to change the music in your video intros? Let's do it. Open your project and tap on the music node. Tap the play icon to hear the default music. To change the music track, tap the download icon in the bottom right hand corner. You'll see two options, music and insert from. If you tap on music, Apple Music will open. You can select a track by tapping one of the categories that you see. It's important that you have the rights to use whatever music you choose, especially if you're going to be posting the video on YouTube or any other social media platform. Since I don't have the rights to use any of this music, I'll tap cancel. I'll show you how to insert copyright-free music into your video intros using IntroMate. Tap the download icon once more. Tap on Insert From. This will take you to your iCloud Drive through the Files app. Select your track by tapping on it. It may take a moment to download. To undo your changes and insert the default track, tap Undo in the bottom right hand corner. The default track has been restored. At this point, you can repeat the process to select another track. Make sure that you have the rights to use any music you choose. The music for this tutorial was downloaded from the YouTube audio library located in the Creator Studio. You can hit Redo to restore your original selection. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how to access and use the YouTube audio library for free sound effects or music, let me know in the comments below. Once you've selected the track you want to use and you have the rights to use it, tap on the share icon in the upper right hand corner. Choose the resolution. I like to choose the highest possible. 30 frames per second is fine. Then tap Export. When the export finishes, the intro will be available inside your camera roll. You can then edit it by dropping it into a video editor like iMovie.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.